Hello guys, just done a bit of Christmas food shopping today. But I'm going to my sister's for Christmas Day. But she's only asked me this afternoon, do they want to come up? So I bought this turkey crown to cook and have myself at home. But I'll cook it and take it up there. She said, you just cook it, bring it up. And all the veg is vegan, everything else is vegan, the spuds and all, she just doesn't vegetable oil. Well, she knows she's going to do hers in duck fat, sadly. But she's going to do separate ones for me in vegetable oil. So I'll take that up with me and some Pampani's 10 pups and blankets. So they're going with me on Christmas Day. That and that packet. This packet, I'm going to have some of them now. About half of them with one of these. Bubblea and Squeak vegan smoked cheddar melt. These are lovely. I've had it a few times. I got it last Christmas and I've had it a few times since November when they come back in for Christmas, for the Christmas market. Brussels sprouts, leek, potatoes, smoked vegan style cheddar cheese. Yeah, and I think they actually use this cheese, applewood. This like a smoky, yeah, creamy and smoky. I think they use applewood. Let me just check. Sure. There's one in the oven already. You see what happened in a minute. Applewood. Yeah. A blend of Brussels sprouts, potato, leek, garlic, onions, and mustard with a smoky applewood melt. And there's the applewood cheese they used. That's the one cooked. That's the see the top bit. You can see where the cheese is there, kind of underneath the crust. But there's one in the oven anyway. I'll show you that cooked in a minute when I have it with some chips, mushy peas, and some of them. At least I've been waiting to decide. I haven't had crinkled chips for years since school. I don't think. I saw them. I thought, well, after that, then they look nice. Crinkled chips, a vegan melt. Bubblea and Squeak melt, I'm having that, and some of them with mushy peas and chips. And that's my Christmas gear that's going on to my sister's. Cooking it and taking it up. Over and out for now. I'll show you this meal in a minute. I'll cook it. Hello guys, I'm back with the finished meal. So that's my crinkly chips, my Brussels sprout, leek, onion, whatever's in it, potato, the lot. Bake, anyway, it's a bake in it. Brussels sprout bake. Bubblea and Squeak, call it. Mushy peas. Pups and blankets. And that gravy is horrible. I've just tried that for the first time. I've just put a bit on the chips there and a bit on them. It's horrible. You have to add loads of salt, vinegar and everything to get a bit of taste in it. I'm just going to put me a little bit of Henderson's on. Hopefully this will give the gravy some flavour as well. That'll do me. Taste test. One of the pups in, yeah, a couple of chips first then. Crinkly chips. Just as I always remember them. Pretty mushy peas. Mushy pea and chip. Pick a blanket. Some mushy peas and that. Delicious then. Here's the Bubblea and Squeak bake. Covered in gravy there, I'll say this one, so you can see the cheese melting out. There's the cheese oozing out, can you see it? That's gravy on the top. There's the Bubblea and Squeak inside. can see properly, get it all on the side. That's what she's using now. Let's try and get a bit of everything. Better view of the bubble and squeak inside. Managed to get a bit of everything to stay on. It's the sausage, bubble and squeak. Chip on the bottom. That's delicious. Really nice, bloody hell. That's stunning. Goes well together. Okay, just gonna enjoy this now guys. Over and out.